The Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1/2 inch Hammer Driver Drill, XPH12R, is the ideal drilling and driving solution for the user who wants more features. The XPH12R combines 530 in.Lbs of max torque with an efficient brushless motor that delivers up 50% more work per charge, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. For the pro user, this means more drilling and driving power, greater productivity, and fewer trips up and down the scaffolding or ladder to get to the battery charger. In driver mode, the adjustable torque settings provide more control for a full range of applications, from large fasteners to smaller, delicate screws. For drilling into masonry, simply switch to the percussive hammer driver drill setting. It weighs only 3.6 pounds. With 18V 2.0 Ah battery, for increased comfort and superior power-to-weight ratio. The kit includes two efficient 18V LXT compact 2.0 Ah batteries, and each reaches a full charge in only 25 minutes, the fastest charge time in the category, for less downtime and increased productivity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable 2-speed design, 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, 0 to 7500 and 0 to 30,000 BPM. Covers a wide range of drilling, driving and hammer applications. Number 2. BL Brushless motor delivers 530 in.Lbs of max torque. Number 3. Efficient BL Brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer run time per charge. Number 4. The BL Brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Number 5. The electronically controlled BL Brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.